Good morning. Today I am present before you with these flame safety lamps. They are of model GL50, and now we are going to open them and assemble and disassemble them. So I have this flame GL50 with a snuffer device inside. You can see it clearly. Now I am going to open this lamp and show you that how we assemble and disassemble this flame safety lamp. First of all, I am going to disassemble it. I am removing its parts, so you can see we need, this is a magnetic lock, we need it to open it. So this is a sample model of GL50. We just need to open this oil vessel with the help of this magnetic lock, which is attached below it, like this. You see it here. Now see, this oil vessel is opening. Now just follow the process and you will know that how to open this flame safety lamp. The first model of GL50, actually the flame safety lamp was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy in 1815. This metallic part is known as hard metallic bonnet, and this is the snuffer device. This device is used to extinguish the fire. See, this is the wick. We flow the flame here. See how this snuffer device works. When we put the wick below it, it automatically extinguishes. So in this way the snuffer device works. Now I am going to open all these parts. This is the retainer key and this is a retainer ring. See, there are 4 points and there are 2 ends. These 2 ends, when meet with these 2 points, it is helpful to open this retainer ring with the help of retainer key, or better use this. I think this is much better. You can see the retainer ring has a asbestos packing ring inside, like this, and this is our borosilicate glass, and this is our wire gauges. These are our wire gauges. आउटर नहीं है भैया, नहीं है. Outer wire gauge, inner wire gauge. Both are of 28 mesh. 28 mesh means 28 number of holes in 1 inch, either horizontal or vertical. Either horizontal or vertical, there are 28 number of holes in 1 inch distance. Number of holes in one linear pair. 1 linear inch 28 holes. 1 linear inch 28 holes. This is 28 mesh wire gauge. So outer wire gauge, inner wire gauge, both are of 28 wire mesh. 28 mesh. So this is inner wire gauge is conical in shape. You can see its shape conical, and it is cylindrical in shape. Outer wire gauge is cylindrical in shape, inner wire gauge is conical in shape. Both are of 28 mesh. 28 mesh means number of holes per inch is 28, either horizontal or vertical. So you can see there is a plate and there is this plate. This plate should be opposite of that sheet. See, if the sheet is here, this sheet must be in its opposite direction like this. So we insert it right here. There are total 8 parts in an FSL. First one is the hard metallic bonnet, then outer gauge, then inner gauge. Both are of 28 mesh. Both are of 28 mesh. Then asbestos packing ring, which should be placed here, and then borosilicate glass, then asbestos packing ring, which is put inside the retainer ring, and then glass retainer ring, and then oil vessel. So how many number of parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. There are total 8 parts in an FSL. So I am going to assemble it. Are you excited to watch? So let's see how does it works. Oh, this is a magnetic lock, so it got stick here. Okay, let's see. See how to assemble it. We know that it is a glass retainer ring. This is borosilicate straight. You put it like here, and you put these wire gauges. It is broken actually, but I am using it here. But you should never use such broken asbestos packing ring in the lamps. It is very risky, very risky. So what to do? Since it is an closing mine, we are using it here still. Okay. Okay. This is outer gauge, inside it inner gauge. Asbestos packing ring, borosilicate glass, asbestos packing ring, glass retainer ring, and all these parts should be kept like this while assembling. While assembling these parts, we should put these parts like this and rotating it in the threads. You can see the threads below. I am adjusting it from below. Oh my god. You can see now we can use glass retainer key. In this way we should assemble the flame safety lamp or the parts of flame safety lamp. You see here, so this is tight. Now we put oil vessel below this retainer ring. This is our assembling the parts. You see how every part is assembled in a clear way. This is all about assembling the flame safety lamp. Thank you.